Metalili Wa Maza is believed to have been born in the 1840s and is said to be one of Kenya's earliest freedom fighters. She was born in Mutara wa Tsatsu, Ganzi village in Kilifi County, and her birth name was Metalili Wa Maza. She became Metalili after she got married and gave birth to a son, Katalili. She had 4 brothers and 1 sister. One of her brothers, Kisii, was captured by Arab slave traders in a market in Kilifi. It was then she remembered Mepaho's prophecy about the coming of the strange people who had hair like sisal fibers. The prophecy came true when the Imperial British East African Company arrived at the coast and started plundering local resources and tried to subjugate the people. One day, a British administrator held a meeting to try to recruit the Giriama youth to join the British Army and fight in the First World War. But Metalili was having none of it. With a hen and her chicks in hand, Metalili attended the meeting and challenged the administrator to snatch one of the chicks. The angry mother hen pecked at the administrator's hand, humiliating him in public. As a result of that event, Metalili together with her son-in-law were arrested and sent to Kisii in western Kenya and locked in prison. But on 14th January 1914 they walked free from prison and walked for more than 700 kilometers back to Kilifi on the Kenyan coast. Metalili continued to lead her people to resist British rule. To try and break the resistance, the British shot the Giriama people, burnt their houses, and bombed the sacred Kaya. Metalili was captured again on 16th of August 1914 and sent to Kismayu in Somalia. Metalili died in the 1920s of natural causes.